Yes, students. Now the next chapter ratio proportion part 2. Already I sent the part 1 ratio proportion and some sums. Now up to 7b, first 3 question I solved. What is the mean proportion? And third proportion, fourth proportion, how to find out from the last video you can see. Now in this 7b question number 4 I am going to start. X plus 5 is the mean proportion between x plus 2 and x plus 9. Then you have to write it as x plus 2 ratio x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 ratio x plus 9. And in fraction, x plus 2 by x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 by x plus 9. Now, cross multiply, you are getting x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 18 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. By solving, you are getting x is equal to 7. Question number 5, x squared 4, 9 or the continued proportion. If it is continued proportion or 4 is the mean proportion, both are same only. Sometimes they will give 4 is the mean proportion of x squared by and 9. Otherwise, x squared 4, 9 or continued proportion. Same procedure, x squared by 4 is equal to 4 by 9. You are solving x is equal to root of 16 by 9. Only the positive value you have to write, not the negative value. Therefore, 4 by 3. Question number 6. Let x be added. What should be added? What is the question? What should be added to 6, 15, 20 and 43 so that it become in proportion? In proportion means 4s are given. Let x be added. 6 plus x ratio 15 plus x is equal to 20 plus x plus 43 plus x. Write in a fraction form. Cross multiply, you are getting x is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 should be added to 6, 15, 20 and 43. It become a in proportion. 6 plus 3 is 9, 15 plus 3 18, 20 plus 3 23 and 43 plus 3 is 46 in proportion. Question number 7, ABC or continued proportion. So immediately you have to write A by B is equal to B by C. That is B squared is equal to AC. This is the condition always for the continued proportion. What you have to show that A squared plus B squared by B into A plus C is equal to B into A plus C by B squared plus C squared. So in the place of B squared, substitute AC. Now in left hand side, I am substituting in the place of B squared AC. Take common A, you are getting A by B. In the right hand side, you substitute in the place of B squared AC, you are getting B by C. We know A by B is equal to B by C. The same answer you are getting for this. Therefore, this is also in continued proportion. Come to the question, second part of 7th question. ABC or continued proportion, same procedure, B squared is equal to AC. Other than what is given, A into B minus C is equal to 2B. First you find what is the value of 2. Because we don't want 2. So you have to separate that in the place of 2 what we can substitute. Now you have to prove A minus C is equal to 2 into A plus B by 2. Now you can take your right hand side in the place of 2. Substitute the value. You will get your answer. So I am taking this value, that is the right hand side I am taking. So what is RHS? You are taking 2. So in the place of 2, A into B minus C by B into A plus B by A. So in the place of B squared, again you are substituting AC, or in the place of AC, B squared. Anything you can substitute, it is cancelling. Therefore, you are getting A minus C, that is equal to left hand side. Now, question number third part of the same question. A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K. Because what is given? A, B, C, D are in proportion. In proportion given mean A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K method. Always use the K method. A is equal to BK. C is equal to DK. In the place of A, substitute BK. In the place of C, DK substitute. Now, I am going to take the left hand side. Substituting in the place of A, BK, C is equal to DK. You are getting K to the power of 4. Now take your right hand side. Same thing, BK plus DK whole to the power of 4 plus B plus D whole. And inside only take K common. Then K to the power of 4 will come outside. Inside B plus D whole to the power of 4. Already B plus D whole to the power of 4 in the denominator cancel K to the power of 4. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then next question, for continued proportion, what should be subtracted? As what we did for addition, the same question. So let x should be subtracted. So 7 minus x by 17 minus x. It is a continuous proportion. Again 17 minus x by 47 minus x. By solving, you are getting x is equal to 2. 2 must be subtracted. Now I am showing here 7 minus x is 5. 17 minus x is 15. Again 17 minus x is 15. 47 minus x is 45. 15 15s are 225. 45 into 5 are 225. They are in continuous proportion. Come to the question number 12. Why is the mean proportion between x and z? So immediately how to write x by x ratio y is equal to y ratio z. Y squared is equal to x squared. Always it is like that. It is the continuous proportion. Immediately you have to, second one you have to repeat. So x ratio y is equal to y ratio z. What you have to prove? X squared minus y squared plus z squared by x to the power of minus 2 minus y to the power of minus 2 plus z to the power of minus 2 is equal to y to the power of 4. So now I am going to take the left hand side numerator as it is, right hand side denominator. You take x squared y squared z squared LCM. You are getting y squared z squared minus x squared z squared plus x squared y squared. Now we know y squared is equal to xz, squaring on both sides. X squared z squared is equal to y to the power of 4. Now, so I am going to take in the place of y squared, x squared, z squared. This x squared, y squared, z squared will go to numerator. In the place of x squared, z squared, y to the power of 4 substitute. Now, in the numerator, you are writing like this and take a common y squared in the denominator. You are getting z squared minus y squared plus x squared. These two will cancel and this in the place of y squared only, x squared, z squared place y to the power of 4. These two y squared will cancel. You are getting y to the power of 4. That is equal to right hand side. Come to the 17th question of the same exercise. P plus R is equal to MQ given. And also 1 by Q plus 1 by S is equal to M. Prove that P ratio Q is equal to R ratio. Yes, that means P, Q, R, S are in proportion. Now from this one I am taking 1 by Q plus 1 by S is equal to M by R. So what you are taking this? Taking 1 by Q plus 1 by S is equal to what is given in the place of M, what you are substituting in the place of M. So P plus R by Q, M is equal to P plus R by Q. I am substituting. Now taking LCM, Q is equal to P plus R by this 2 Q will cancel. Cross multiply, R as also cancel. So bring this S to this side, Q to this side. R by S is equal to P by Q. That is P by Q is equal to R by S. That is equal to P ratio Q is equal to R ratio S. And students, up to this you finish all the sums and remaining sums in the next video I will solve, and the remaining questions what are these. So revise, go through all these continuous proportion, third proportion, mean proportion students, and then watch your second video. You can understand. Thank you.